सबके एवी दिखाई गई है। फिक्र मत करें, ये मेरी कोई एवी नहीं है, मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं है। ये एक्चुअली एक छोटी सी 60 सेकंड एकदम 60 सेकंड आप लोगों के दूंगा। इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है इस माहौल के अंदर, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने अपनी स्टार पावर यूज़ की और मैंने कहा ये मैं 60 सेकंड के लिए दिखाना चाहूँगा। तो ये आप लोग प्लीज देखिए, मतलब 60 सेकंड के अंदर मुझे इस एवी ने हिला के रख दिया एंड आई हैव क्राइड। प्लीज वॉच इट। ओके,
In fact, my team is still there, and I said I'm quickly going to do this and come back. But nonetheless, I'm here to speak to you all, and you all are here, so that's the most important thing for me.
मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल आज शुरू हो गया है, बहुत मुश्किलों से शुरू हुआ है, क्या कहेंगे आप?
I think first of all, I want to congratulate the entire team for managing to put this all together, and I think it's a great thing for Indian cinema. हम हमेशा we talk about all the other international film festivals, and I hope that over the years we already are getting there, and I hope that over the years the Mumbai International Film Festival also becomes as big and as popular. That's what we're all working towards. I think Indian cinema is extremely popular globally, world over, and it'll be very interesting to have some of the other films from other languages, world cinema, international cinema, come down here, showcase their films. It's almost like a culture exchange of various different cultures.
Deepika,
which movie are you looking to watch the whole festival? Which movie is exciting to watch the whole festival?
I haven't gone through the list. I'm not really aware of what the films, the ones that they're showcasing. But since Catherine Deneuve is here, I'd love to watch one of her films. I think that's the one that's going on tonight.
दिवाली शुरू होने वाली है, तो आप क्या तैयारी आ रही है आपकी दिवाली की?
Happy New Year. That's the only thing on all our minds right now. I think we're all busy promoting the film. Like I said, the reason I've just come is because all the media's over there, and I've come here, and now you guys are here. I think for us this Diwali is going to be Happy New Year. वैसे भी बहुत सारे लोग Happy New Year ही मनाते हैं दिवाली के दिन, तो इस बार हम भी मनाएंगे Happy New Year दिवाली के दिन।
परिवार को मिस करेंगे इस बार आप?
हर साल तो मैं उनको मिस करती हूँ, बिकॉज जैसे आप जानते हैं मैं यहाँ अकेली रहती हूँ, वो बेंगलोर में रहते हैं, एंड दिवाली हमारे लिए मेन फेस्टिवल है एज अ फैमिली। पर मैं कोशिश करूँगी इवन इफ इट्स हाफ अ डे, एक दिन के लिए शायद मैं जाके वापस आऊँगी।
अगर इलेक्शन डे है तो आप क्या अपना वोट कास्ट करने वाले हैं?
मोस्ट डेफिनेटली, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आर प्लानिंग टू। ऑब्वियसली हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जो है देयर बी डिफरेंट प्लेसेस वेयर वील गो, बट वील डेफिनेटली ट्राई। I'm very excited. We all know she's a legend, and I'm also very, very nervous because other than the fact that, I mean, there's two things to it. One is I've never done a masterclass before. I'm doing this only for Anu, and the fact that it's with Miss Deneuve. I think I'm going to keep quiet. I think it'll be a masterclass for me only. I think I'll get to learn a lot from her by just listening to her.
Okay, you know that glamour some way or the other is uplifting sports these days.
I think I'm just looking at the end result, the fact that sports is being uplifted in whatever form, whether it's glamorous or otherwise. And मैं हमेशा अपील करती हूँ even to the media. It's very important for all of us also to identify champions at a very, very young age, to know of their achievements and then to be able to report that or write about it so that we make people aware. I think Mary Kom is a classic case. I knew of Mary Kom 4-5 years ago, but I think a lot of us know of her today only because of the film that has been made. So I think it's very important that we write about stars, and through these champions, I think then the sport goes on to become popular. For example, badminton became popular after my father became a champion. So I think it's very important that we recognize talent at a very young age, the athletes and their achievements, write about it, encourage them, and through that, make a sport popular.
So are we going to see you owning a sports team?
For me, my contribution to sports is by being part of the Olympic Gold Quest. Recently, we have Saif on board as well, and he's also agreed to come on board and support the organization. From a business point of view, if you're asking me if I'm going to own a team, no, because I don't understand business and I don't get that part of it. As someone to promote and bring awareness to sports and create that kind of excitement, I'm more than happy to do that.
दीपिका, मेरा एक आपसे सवाल था कि
आप इरिटेट क्यों होते हैं जब वो सवाल पूछ रही है?
बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे जा रहे हैं।
पूछने दो, मैं यहाँ हूँ ना आपके लिए।
दीपिका,
मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ।
आपके बेहद करीबी दोस्त रणबीर कपूर जो है एक नए घर में शिफ्ट हुए एक नई जोड़ी के साथ, तो आप उन्हें कुछ बधाइयाँ देना चाहेंगे, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
ये आप कैसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो यार? मुझे कैसे मालूम हो किसके साथ रह रहे हैं? मुझे तो पता है वो उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रहे हैं। ये इस सवाल का जवाब है।
Deepika, is sleeping taking a toll on your health?
Huh? My voice has come back. You heard? Did you hear my voice when it was fully gone? Okay. So in the second week of the Slam tour, I completely lost my voice. And even now I'm sounding a little this thing. It's coming back slowly, but every day we're doing so many. Yes.
As a student, I wanted to ask.
Can I finish this answer? 1 second. So slowly, my voice is coming back. But is it taking a health on my toll? No, not at all. I think we're having a great time. When all of you are interviewing us, you'll see the kind of energy that we have, and we're so closely knit, and we've become like one family. And I think what we're going to miss the most, in fact, I think why we're promoting more and more so that we can all be with each other. And the day the film releases, I think we're going to miss each other the most.
Deepika, you're looking. As a student, I would like to ask, how will the film festival reach out to the public? Do you think it will?
Most definitely it will, and I think the whole idea is to kind of create awareness. I think that is the one thing that is lacking. I think the reason why we're all here today and all the media is here today is to create awareness about the Mami Film Festival, and through that awareness, and like I said, I think it's very important that we showcase some of our best films and make that awareness also global. So we have a lot of people from across the world also bring their different films, and hopefully over the years it will be as popular as say
Regional films, like regional language.
Absolutely. I think for me as an actor of Indian cinema, I don't categorize as Hindi films. I think Hindi film is part of the larger regional cinema that we make. Hindi happens to be the national language, which is why most of our films are made in Hindi. Having said that, I think Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, there's Bengali cinema, there's Gujarati cinema, there's so many. Marathi cinema also. Sorry. That's what I'm saying, there's Marathi cinema, there's so many different kinds of films, and I hope that all these films... Hey Bhagwan! What is a photo shoot?
दीपिका,
नहीं पूछिए।
रणबीर काफी बाल हो गए आपके भी।
I don't have to go bald.
अरे देखा नहीं
If that is your question.
दीपिका कल वोट करने जा रही है, कहाँ
I have to check. मेरे 2 घर हैं, एक यहाँ है, एक वहाँ है, तो मैं चेक करूँगी।
Parinidhi has just now tweeted that she's proud about all the actresses who've taken a stand against the controversies of lately. The actresses who've faced controversy. So what do you have to say about that?
I think as far as that is concerned, I've said what I've had to say, and we should all move on with our lives.
दीपिका ऑफ लेट स्टार ड्रिवन
वो एक मैडम
I haven't seen him. I don't know what that looks like. I think they've started shooting a few days ago. But I only joined them next year. I only joined them in the beginning of next year. So until then, I won't know.
दीपिका ऑफ लेट स्टार ड्रिवन फिल्म्स स्टोरी ड्रिवन फिल्म्स को दबा देते हैं, आपका क्या मानना है?
I don't agree with you. I think content is king, and at the end of the day, whether it's a star or whether it's say newcomers, I think what really survives the test of time and box office and everything else is a good script and a story that's told well, most importantly.
दीपिका हमने सुना है कि हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की बात करेंगे। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर लास्ट में हैप्पी न्यू ईयर हमने सुना कि अब्राहम का गेस्ट अपीयरेंस है या कैमियो है अब्राहम का हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। इज इट ट्रू?
इसके बारे में शाहरुख की बात करेंगे। मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, मेरे साथ तो नहीं। ही इज नॉट माई को स्टार इन द मूवी, बट इसके बारे में शाहरुख बात करेंगे। all the viewers, wishing all of you a very, very, very happy Diwali.
Deepika, we want to say come here.
Has to be a media selfie but. Everyone.
आप पब्लिक को देखिए